Hello and welcome to my Sunday From. So today I have a wonderful unboxing for my haul. And this is my haul. Treadmill. And I want to see I want to see how to assemble it and what's in it. So let's get it open. So it comes with these little strap downs. And I'll remove those first. And then we could just open it just like this. Let's see. I don't know which side's up, which side's down. I just hope it doesn't break because I paid lots of money for it. Not a lot, because it's just like a walking pad kind of treadmill. So I think I should get the other side open. So I will do that. Actually, these straps need to be cut. These straps need to be cut down anyway from this side. And the tape needs to be cut at the opening. So here we have it. The treadmill. So you just take out this. It comes with a remote and some assembly required. And it comes with like a little, let's see. I guess this is like a little lubricant, like so we can make sure that it spins or something. And this is, of course, the remote. And I got this for like 80 bucks. And it tells you how to use it. It has like packing stuff in here. So here it starts to tell you how to assemble it, I guess. And that's the part that I need. Oh, look, it has suggested stretches, exercise guidelines. Oh, that's very specific. Warm up, breathing. Only work out the same muscle group every 24 hours. Diet, supplementing, stretching. warm up walks, 5 to 10 minutes. That's cute. And then here's the lubrication. Add silicone oil to the hole where the arrow shows. So there's a certain port for this little oil thing. And then it tells you how to adjust it. Running belt tightness, running belt deviation adjustment, lubrication. So this looks like it's just ready to go, to be honest. So I'm not too sure. It looks fine to go. This doesn't look like it's part of anything. So it's just a matter of popping it out. If I can do that. So just like that, I'm gonna pop it out. And from this mold, styrofoam mold, with like plastic case, there's like these little silicone things that got loose, I guess. So I'm trying to avoid that because I think it's like poisonous or whatever. Silicone. And also I want to get this bag removed. Oh. I'm gonna just brush this off before I get it. Alright, because it has those little things. So it looks good. And I'll just move this stuff. Put it off the side. Continue on to. This is the bag it's coming from, so obviously. I don't know where to put it. So I just have to break down this box. But this is what I have so far. And we'll let it go. Here goes nothing. And we'll see if this really works once and for all. So I guess I have to turn this on. Really? And then you turn it off, turn it on. What's the M for? Oh, time. Cool. So you can time it. and like you set how many minutes. It has like 90 minutes, which is an hour and a half. I think that's cool. An hour and a half. See that? That's an hour and a half. I don't know how to do that. So you can try it just like this. So I think I just have a little bit of adjustment to do, but it's pretty good. What do you guys think? I wonder if you can like. Ooh, there you go. So that's pretty good. I give it a 10 out of 10 for 80 bucks. I mean, I can't go wrong. I can just push this near the TV and, you know, do my 30 minutes a day and it's done. I don't know why I'm putting it back in the thing. I really like it a lot. And I think I'm just gonna have to see if I can tighten the belt or adjust it so that way, you know, it doesn't make so much noise, but it's not that loud in my opinion. Especially if you're watching TV while doing it or listening to music. So it probably won't bother me eventually. Like I said, 10 out of 10. This is by Heart. This is Hardware's walking pad treadmill. It's not a real heavy duty treadmill that you know, should run on like an athlete. Like it's just for general, you know, agility. So, yeah, thank you for watching. Check out some of my other videos. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. My stone different. Bye bye.